My name is Alessio and I'm one of the social media ambassadors at the London Metropolitan University, and today we are going to ask students what's their favorite place at the university.
My favourite place in London, Matt, is the gym because it's free to use and it's a really good way to let off some stress.
So my favourite place in the university is the courtyard because it's where me and my friends all get together, and when it's sunny outside it is very nice to just stay in the sun.
My favourite place in the university is the Rocket because they always organise a lot of events for the university, so you can engage with other students and you can have fun as well.
So my favourite place is the gym because I go there with a lot of my friends and it's free, and then you get an opportunity to work out and just feel good about yourself.